young kids, they are so amazing, and we all know that Satlak Sutra is very important in Jainism. And Satlak Sutra usually we say during Pratikaman time, and usually a Satlak Sutra is in Prakrit language, so many of us are having trouble understanding what exactly that means. So today we'll try to understand this Satlak Sutra in simple English language, and please me chime if I have done any mistake. So let's see. So simple Satlak Sutra starts with Satlak. So what exactly Satlak means? So Sat means 7 and Lakh means 100,000. So Satlak means 700,000. Why it is so important? Life is everywhere. It's not just in people and animal. According to Jainism, life exists in the earth, water, fire, air, and plants. That's why we need to take care of them. In this sutra, we ask forgiveness not 1, 2, or 100 or 200 people, but we ask forgiveness from 84 lakh Jivyoni. What does that mean? 84 lakh Jivyoni means 8.4 billion kinds of species that exist on this planet. Isn't it amazing? Only in one sutra, we try to remember each and every human living beings exist on this planet, and we ask forgiveness from them. Let's see how we add up 8.4 million Jivyoni. So first sentence is Sat Lakh Prithvi Kai. Sat Lakh Prithvi Kai, what does that mean? Sat Lakh means 700,000 and Prithvi means earth and Kai means body. So 700,000 Prithvi bodied beings. For example, soil, clay, sand, rocks. In Jainism, we consider that as a living beings. So we need to take care of that. Next line is Sat Lakh Abkai. Ab means water and Kai means body. 700,000 water-bodied beings. For example, rain, dew, river, water, and ocean fog. Next line is Sat Lakh Tev Kai. Tev means fire and Kai means body. 700,000 fire-bodied beings. For example, flames from the candle, sparks, and lightning. Next is Sat Lakh Vau Kai. That means 700,000 air-bodied beings. For example, wind, gentle breeze, and the air we breathe. Vanaspati Kai. There are two types of Vanaspati Kai. So we remember 10 lakh Pratyek Vanaspati Kai. What does that mean? It means 1 million per plant, and each plant has one soul in it. For example, fruits, vegetables, and trees. And we also remember 14 lakh Sadharan Vanaspati Kai. 14 lakh Sadharan Vanaspati Kai. That means 1.4 million plants, and each plant has more than one soul in it. For example, carrots, potatoes, onions, those have more than one soul in it. That's why Jains, we don't eat that. So far we saw that those are like one indriya. Sorry, I forgot to mention, but one indriya. One indriya means they only have a touch, one sense. Now we'll see living beings that has more than one sense. Belak, Beindriya, Belak, Teindriya, and Belak, Chaudindriya. That means 200,000 living beings with two senses, touch and taste. For example, worm and shell. Belak, Teindriya means 200 living beings with three senses, touch, taste, and smell. For example, ant and rice. Belak, Chaudindriya, that means 200 living beings with four senses, touch, taste, smell, and sight. For example, bee, fly, and mosquitoes. Now we'll go to next line. Here we have a 4 lakh devta, 4 lakh narki, which means 400,000 heavenly beings. We also remember 400,000 god goddesses and 4 lakh narki, 400,000 hellish beings. 4 lakh Tiryanch Panchindriya. What does that mean? So 4 lakh means 400,000 and Tiryanch Panchindriya means animal with the 5 senses, like dog, animal, elephant, or any birds. They have 5 senses. So we remember them as well. And we also remember 14 lakh Manushya Evam Kare. That means 1.4 million of human beings. So in this slide, we can see how we add up 8.4 million in this sutra. Isn't it amazing? So we remember all these living beings and we ask for forgiveness. It says, Mare jive je koi jiv, hanyo hoy, hanavya hoy, hanta prati anumodya hoy, te savi ne hu man vachan kaya kari michhami dukkadam. That means, if I have hurt anyone or asked someone to hurt or encourage others to hurt, I seek forgiveness from my thoughts, words, and action. What does this mean for us? Sat Lakh Sutra is daily reminder to live with awareness and kindness. Walk gently on earth. Don't waste water or food. Be kind to insect and animal. Appreciate the egg and trees. Think about how our action affect all the lives around us. This knowledge helps us practice ahimsa, non-violence, and compassion towards all forms of life, even the one we can't see. Michhami Dukkadam, and this is the meaning of Michhami Dukkadam and Sat Lakh Sutra. And if I made any mistake, I apologize. Michhami Dukkadam.